The Tesla Model Y is equipped with a high-efficiency particulate air HEPA filter designed to capture 99.97% of airborne particles, including pollen, dust, bacteria, and viruses. Replacing this filter is crucial for maintaining clean cabin air and optimal system performance. Tesla recommends replacement every 2 years or 24,000 miles, whichever comes first. This video will guide you through the DIY process. While Tesla provides a clear maintenance schedule for HEPA filter replacement, it's important to recognize the signs that indicate your filter needs attention sooner. Tesla recommends changing the filter every 2 years or 24,000 miles, whichever comes first, to maintain optimal cabin air quality. Beyond the scheduled replacement, several indicators suggest immediate action may be needed. First, reduced airflow from the vents can signal a clogged filter restricting air circulation. Second, a musty or unpleasant odor inside the car often indicates the filter has accumulated contaminants and is no longer effectively trapping odors and particles. Third, if you notice increased allergy symptoms while driving, such as sneezing or itchy eyes, it could be due to allergens passing through a worn filter. Fourth, modern Tesla vehicles with software version 13 or later will display alerts on the touchscreen when the filter needs replacement. This system uses real-time air quality sensors to monitor filter performance and detect clogging. Before starting the HEPA filter replacement, gather the necessary tools and materials. First, you'll need a new Tesla OEM HEPA filter, part number 10180079-00A or equivalent, to ensure proper fit and efficiency in capturing 99.97% of airborne particles. Next, a Phillips head screwdriver may be required for some model years to remove clips securing the filter cover. A trim removal tool is optional, but helpful for safely releasing the glove box without damage. Finally, ensure you have a clean workspace with adequate lighting to perform the replacement safely and accurately. First, park your Model Y on a level surface and turn off the HVAC system. Next, open the glove box and remove all contents. Then, gently press the sides of the glove box inward to release the stops, allowing it to lower fully. Finally, behind the glove box, you'll find a plastic filter cover secured by clips or screws, depending on your model year. Using a screwdriver if needed, remove the screws that secure the filter cover behind the glove box. Carefully remove the old filter, paying close attention to its orientation. The arrows on the filter indicate the airflow direction, typically pointing downward for the Tesla Model Y. Insert the new filter in the correct orientation, matching the arrows on the filter to ensure proper airflow direction. Secure the cover back in place using the clips or screws, ensuring it's properly fastened. Now that the new HEPA filter is installed, it's time to reassemble the glove box and perform final checks to ensure everything is working properly. First, reattach the glove box by aligning the arms and pushing it back into place until it clicks securely. Next, ensure the glove box opens and closes smoothly without any resistance. Then, start the vehicle and check the airflow from the vents to confirm the system is functioning correctly. Finally, if all components are working correctly, proceed to the next step in the maintenance process. After completing the filter replacement, you need to reset the filter life indicator on your Tesla touchscreen. This ensures the vehicle accurately tracks the new filter's usage for future maintenance alerts. First, tap the controls icon located at the bottom of your touchscreen. This will open the main controls menu. Next, navigate to the service option within the controls menu. You may need to scroll through the available options to find it. Then, select Cabin Air Filters from the list of service options. This will bring up the filter management screen. Finally, tap the Reset option to clear the previous filter's usage data and begin tracking the new filter. Your Tesla will now accurately monitor the new filter's life, alerting you when it's time for the next replacement. To extend the life of your HEPA filter, avoid using recirculated air when driving in heavily polluted environments. This mode draws in outside air and puts extra strain on the filter, causing it to clog faster. Instead, use fresh air mode when possible and only switch to recirculation for short periods, like during traffic or tunnels. Consider eco-friendly filter options that are trending towards recyclable or biodegradable materials. Traditional filters contribute to waste, but new plant-based or compostable alternatives are emerging. These maintain the same 99.97% particle capture rate while being better for the environment. Look for filters labeled as biodegradable or made from sustainable fibers when replacing yours. Stay updated with Tesla's over-the-air updates to take advantage of improved maintenance features. Recent software updates have added real-time air quality monitoring and filter life alerts directly on your vehicle's touchscreen. Always install updates promptly to ensure your HEPA system operates at peak efficiency and receives the latest enhancements. Future enhancements may include sensor-driven maintenance alerts that automatically notify you when replacement is needed based on actual usage and air quality data. Improved air purification technologies are emerging, like hybrid systems that combine traditional HEPA filtration with UVC light for germ killing or activated carbon for odor absorption. These advancements will make cabin air even cleaner and more efficient.